to be faithful.
And I'm gonna,
You best be believing.
I won't be deceiving my God.
As a matter of opinion, I think he's tops. My opinion is he's the cream of the crop. As a matter of taste, to be exact,
He's my ideal as a matter of fact. No muscle-bound man could take my hand from my God. My God. No handsome face could ever take the place of my God.
we may not be a movie star, but when it comes to being happy,
We are. There's not a man today who could take me away from my God.
let's take it home, ladies.
There's not a man today who could take me away from my God.
Give me some of that deep shoulder action.
There's not a man today who could take me away from my